Next up from the 21st Century Business Horn.com, 60% supply price decrease doesn't lower the terminal price of edible bird's nest. The selling price of Malaysian edible bird's nest remains the same despite its supply price having decreased by 60% compared to that of last year. In 2011, Malaysian Red edible bird's nest was reported to have excessive nitrite, which might cause cancer. As a result, Chinese government banned importing edible bird's nests from Malaysia since July of 2011. Affected by this, the supply price has dropped to about $4,000 from $10,000 per kilogram on average. The sales volume of edible bird's nest in China is down by 2/3 also. But according to analysts, merchants wouldn't cut the price in order to guarantee their profits, since they bought it at a quite high price before 2011. Besides, Chinese banning has a fatal impact on industry. But its selling price in China might not decrease, in experts' opinion, because higher import standards will lead to higher processing costs of the edible bird's nest. Don't go away, because up next in Money Matters, we're talking about the PetroChina to force natural gas prices by threatening to reduce the supply. Stay tuned.